Hello, we are back for day 8, the start of the second week, and I'm guessing this is a book. Feels quite thick. Wow. This is a book. Scrappy Celebration Wrapping Paper from Quilt Designs. 12 colourful sheets and matching gift tags for every occasion. Oh wow, look at this. It's really unusual. I've never heard of this before. So it's perforated. I won't rip any out, but they obviously come out quite big sheets. And then the matching gift tags are at the back. Oh, it's actually got the sizes on there. 19 by 30 inch, and there's 4 of each with 12 different gift tags. It's a good one. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9. Hello, we are back. Day 9. Let's have a look, see what goodies we've got today. Ooh. Bias tape toolkit. Instructions and size chart included inside. Ooh, I'm intrigued. Wow, how cool is that? I mean, I do have some bias tape makers, but I'm wondering if the sizes may be different. Yeah, that's an 18, 25. Yeah, I think there's a few slightly different sizes than I've got. And I definitely don't have one of these to obviously feed it through. But these are always great anyway, aren't they? I've got some plastic ones for my sewing machine. But that is so cool. And I love the little case as well. Well done, Missouri Star. Another winner for day 9. I'll see you tomorrow for day 10. Thanks for watching. Day 10. This is going to be a good one. Nice solid box. And I feel like I can reuse this box as well, just for like, what size is it? Yeah, it's 12 by 12. I reckon we could use this for projects. Okay, let's see what's in. Oh my word. Put it the right side up. It's a wall hanging. Missouri Star quilt coming on the back. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? I mean, it has got the hook, but if you wanted to use it flat, put little things on, I'm sure you could as well. I can't wait to get in my new craft room in our new house. Probably a year to go while we're in this rental, but this kind of stuff is going to make it gorgeous when I move in. Thank you so much. I'm loving this one. I will see you tomorrow for day 11. I'm back. I just realised there's something in the box. It's Create Your Own Beautiful Charcuterie Board Display. So yeah, it's a wall hanging, but it says, truly impressive board balances a variety of flavours, textures, vibrant colours. You can hang it still hang this quilt block in your sewing room if charcuterie is in your jam. And it talks about what you can put on it. So cheeses, meats, grains, fruits, spreads, all that kind of stuff. So it's actually a charcuterie board. Amazing. Thank you, Missouri Star. Hello, it is day 11. I think this is the smallest package that we've had so far. So this is going to be interesting. See what's in this one. Let's have a quick look. Ooh. Gorgeous. Some woven labels, premium woven labels, Minky Kim labels. There's 9 of them. Let's have a quick look. I've been seeing these advertised. Oh my god, oh, they're quite big actually, which is good. I'm going to show you each of them. Little by little becomes a lot. That's the same, but different colours. Oops. Gorgeous flowers. And there's made by and a gold and a black. And then, oh geez, these are so stinking cute. Little flower. Look at this. Needle and thread. I think that's my favourite. How cute is that? And then some little scissors. Oh my god, these little ones are going to be great making little pouches and bags. And yeah, these bigger ones are going to be great. Oh, I missed this one as well. Beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. Thank you so much. This is a good one. Might be a small one, but it's a fab one. I will see you tomorrow for, I'm losing track of days. Day 12. Hello. Day 12. This is a chunky one. Let's have a look. Oh wow. It's a sewing tool organizer. This is fab. I've got a similar one, you know, from Amazon, I think. Oh, it's well packaged. My God, I love the design. The colours. Oh, look at the little zip pull. It says, store your scissors, rotary cutters, seam ripper, wooden clapper, notions and more. Oh wow, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Got to get closer to show you. It's even got little inserts to show you ideas of what to put. Whoops, a bit higher so you can see it. Yes, I've got a similar one from Amazon in grey with the sections that I use for my English paper piecing on the go. So I know this is going to be a great little addition to my craft room. You know what, I'll probably use it for my embroidery. I've been thinking of getting one for my embroidery as well. Thank you, Missouri Star. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello. Day 13. It's a heavy one. Can't believe we're almost at the end of 2 weeks already. Halfway through December. Ooh. Oh wow, okay. First we've got the pattern, snappy pouches, and then we've got a set of the snaps to use. Oh wow. Oh, amazing. So there's 6 snap bands in here. And the project size is 6 1/4 by 8 1/2. Yes. This is going to be a great little project. If you saw my quilty update chat, you'll know I wanted to start doing more small projects. There's some ideas at the end. I have done a snap pouch before. Didn't come across well. I got it from a quilters fair here in WA a few years ago. So yeah, it'd be good for me to practice this again. Yes, I'm pleased with that one. That was a good day. Thank you. Hello, day 14, so we're at the end of the first week. So after I've recorded this video, I will be uploading it for you tomorrow. So you finally get to see all the gorgeousness that I have seen over the past week. I hope you've been enjoying these reveals so far. How do I get into it? Oh, it's got like a foam insert. What is this? Oh my word. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Little tree decorations. Although I don't suppose you have to use them as tree decorations. I'll be using these as little, I'm going to put a bit of magnet on the back and use them as little pin trays, I think. They're quite heavy. I love the jingle bells. I will put them in decoration for Christmas in my room, but after that, I'm not going to just bring these out once a year. They're too cute. A great day. Great way to the end of the second week. I hope you're enjoying it so far. I will see you next week for week 3. I can't believe we're halfway through already, although I'm still very tempted to delve into this box. I've been very good. The fact that every day has been such a great present, has held me at bay. But yeah, it's made December so exciting for me, having this to look forward to every day. So I hope you're enjoying seeing it as well. And I'll see you next week. Have a great crafting weekend.